Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I get my Snapchat to work again. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now for some cases, if Snapchat is not working, then what you need to do first is check to see if your app is up to date or not. So just simply type in Snapchat and then tap on Snapchat and check to see if there is an update for your app. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are having to log in, or some issues that you are facing in the Snapchat app, and simply by updating the app, that problem or that issue should be fixed. If the problem is still there, then the next thing that you can do is just open up the settings app and then scroll down and then tap on Snapchat, and here check to see if there is any permissions that is not allowed for the Snapchat app. And once you have checked that, go back and then tap on general and now tap on iPhone storage, and here select Snapchat and then tap on offload app and tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does is it clears and bugs or glitches by resetting the app, and instead of this upload app you will have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on reinstall app, and once that process is done, all you gotta do is reset your phone and then try again, and now the issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.